Oh, looks like we've got a lot of powers and a division going on here. Let's see what we've got. I've got a power raised to a power, so I know I'm going to multiply the exponents. A power to a power, I'm going to multiply the exponents, and I've just got a single power down here. Let's do this multiplication. So on the top, we're going to have x to the, now I'm going to write out what I'm doing. Negative 4 times 4 times x to the 4 times negative 4 all over x to the 12. And then here, I multiply those exponents. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. I'll get x to the negative 16 times x to the, same thing here, right? 4 times negative 4 is negative 16, all over x to the 12th. Now on the top, I got a multiplication. So I'm just going to add these exponents. So I'm going to get x to the negative 16 plus negative 16, all over x to the 12th. Go up here. So in the top, I'm going to get x to the negative 16 plus negative 16 is negative 32 all over x to the 12th. Let's deal with this. I'm going to eliminate that negative sign by dropping the base into the denominator. So change the sign of the exponent, but you have to move the base. So it's going to be 1 over, I've already got an x to the 12th down there, times x to the positive 32 now. Now I've got a multiplication in the bottom there, so add the exponents. So I'm going to get 1 over x to the 12 plus 32. So I'm going to end up with 1 over x to the 43. That's it. Now in this problem 7, I see right away I've got a negative exponent. It's all multiplication and division, some powers, but no addition subtractions to stop us from moving on. So I'm going to eliminate this negative exponent first. I'm going to move that y up to the top. I'm going to rewrite this as 2x to the 6th y cubed. Now take this one here, change the position of the base, bring it up, but change the sign of the exponent. So it will become y to the positive 4 over 12x to the 4th. So let's take care of this multiplication right here. Two powers of the same base. So I'm just going to add those exponents. So we're going to get 2x to the 6th, y to the 3 plus 4 is 7, over 12x to the 4th. Now, I got a fraction. The 2 and the 12 we can reduce. 2 will go into 2 once, 2 will go into 12 6 times. Now, I'm not going to write the 1, but I will write the 6 down here. And what have we got left in the top? Now, it is division. Two powers with the same base. So top exponent, 6, minus bottom exponent, 4. So it's going to be 6 minus 4. And I've still got that y to the 7th. 6 minus 4 is a 2. So how about if we write this as, I'll do it at the very top here, x to the 2, y to the 7, all over 6. Now here's a number that's written in standard form. I'm going to put it into scientific notation. So I'm going to move this decimal point. Now notice I have to move it to the right, so the exponent is going to be negative. And how many places are we moving it? Well, we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stop here. And I'm stopping there because I've got one non-zero digit, right? That digit is not 0. And I got one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal. If I moved it over here, I'd have 2 non-zero digits. And the rule for scientific notation says that you'd want only one non-zero digit to its left. So what did we do? We went how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm moving it to the right. So I'm going to write this as 5.27 times 10 to the, now we went 4 places, but I went to the right, so it's going to be negative 4.